you're doing well. Today we're making a creamy butternut squash soup, and butternut squash is so healthy for you. Has lots of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, magnesium, potassium. So you're going to use one big butternut squash, an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, or 3. I got some veggie broth. You can use any broth you like, as well as a can of full fat. You want the full fat coconut milk. That makes it super creamy. And I got a 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder and about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're also going to be using about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. So here we have it all diced up. You don't have to cut it all fancy because we're going to be pureeing it. And then we are going to saute the onion with just a little bit of olive oil. You can use water if you want, but I sauteed it with just the onion and the garlic with just some olive oil. And you want to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes just so the onion gets nice and brown. And then you can add in the butternut squash and you can saute that for another minute or so. And then you'll want to add the remaining ingredients. And you may want to add a little bit more broth or water just to make sure the butternut squash is covered. And you'll want to put it on high. And then once it's brought to a boil, you'll want to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then once it's cooled down, you can puree. And I have this hand mixer, which is super easy to use, and it blends the soup so nice. And this soup is so creamy and so healthy for you. So I thought I'd share this recipe with you. Super easy. You can find more of these recipes on in my ebook, Healthy Recipes for Life. I got 70+ recipes, all different kinds of recipes, whole and healthy. So let me know if you try this one, and I hope you have a fabulous day. As always, be yourself, be getting in some whole healthy foods and some nature. When you do that, we'll all be rising.